let's just compare the differences between these two angle benches from DD Machinery. We have the plus size angle bench and the regular angle bench. So how do you decide which one is best for you? Well, let's take a good look at these two. The distance from the floor to the top of the chest rest is the same with both benches. The distance from the floor to the top of the knee rest cushion is the same with both benches as well. The distance from the top of the knee rest cushion to the top of the chest rest cushion is also the same for both benches. Here are the differences between the two benches. The chest rest on the plus size angle bench is 16 inches wide. The chest rest on the regular angle bench is 9.5 inches wide. There is also more room between the rear knee support on the plus size bench compared to the regular bench. So how do you know which is best for you? Well, generally speaking, if you weigh 225 pounds or more, the plus size angle bench would be the best choice for you. If you weigh less than 225 pounds, you'll probably find that the regular angle bench to be a more comfortable fit. So what about height? That is where the elevated knee cushions come in handy. So, if you're 5'4" tall or shorter, you may need elevated knee cushions. Elevated knee cushions simply bring the knees up to decrease the distance from the top of the knee cushion to the top of the chest rest. Here's how that works. Elevated knee cushions are basically blocks that are 1.5 inches tall. Add one block to elevate the knees 1.5 inches. Add a second block to elevate the knees a full 3 inches. If you think you need elevated knee cushions, simply contact DD Machinery. Now for you big boys and girls who have a wide frame this way, the plus size bench is going to be the best choice for you. Now I'm going to show you how to put your bench together after it arrives. Here's what is included in your box: the chest rest, the right leg assembly, the left leg assembly, the right knee assembly, the left knee assembly, the front brace, one unattached arm cushion. Here is a list of the hardware you will find in your package: 2 8 by 2.5 inch wood screws, 2 12 by 1 inch eye bolts, 2 1/4 inch by 2 3/4 inch angle eye bolts, 6 1/4 inch nuts, 8 1/4 inch flat washers, 2 1/4 inch by 2.5 inch lag bolts. Here are the tools needed to assemble your bench: 1 Phillips screwdriver and 1 7/16 inch wrench or adjustable wrench. Inside your chest rest, you will note that there are LR and LF. These stand for left rear and left front. There are also metal studs on each end for your left leg assembly. Now we are simply going to align our left leg assembly with our studs and slide the left leg on just like this. Simple, quick, and easy. Now we are going to add a washer to each stud and a bolt to each stud. Using the 7/16 inch wrench that we got ahead of time, let's hand tighten it as tight as we can, and then use our wrench to get it just a little bit tighter. There we go. And then our next, just like so, hand tightened, and now we are going to get the right knee assembly and repeat on the opposite side exactly what we just did. And once we are done tightening everything, we can lift our bench up, just like so. Roll it over, and ta-da! Next, we are going to install the second armrest. Locate the two small holes on the armrest and line them up with the two holes on our leg. Using the two 8 by 2.5 inch wood screws, just like so. And then using the Phillips head screwdriver to secure those. Now that we've got this nice and tight, we are ready to add our knee rests. The next important thing to consider before adding your knee assembly is to know whether or not you want your legs to be parallel, meaning straight out next to each other, or if you'd like, you can add these angle blocks that we've included, like so that your legs come out at an angle. Let's start with our right knee assembly. As you can see, this is the outside of the right knee assembly, and this is the inside. We're going to place it like so over our stud, and simply slide it on, just like so. Now we are going to add one washer and one nut, like so, and tighten it as tight as we possibly can. Then we'll grab our wrench and tighten it the rest of the way. We'll do the same to the other side, just like so. Now that we've got both our knee rests on nice and tight, we are ready to add our front brace. You'll see there are two holes on the front, there, and on the front of our legs we will locate two holes as well. And we will simply add our bolts. First, we want to add our washer to our bolt. Very important. We'll add them through the holes, like so. Now that we've got our front brace nice and tight, we're going to add our eye bolt. You'll see a little hole right here over your armrest. Place it, hand tighten it, and if you need a little more help, you can grab your screwdriver, me, and use that to get it to tighten and in place the rest of the way. We're going to do the exact same thing on our other side. Now that we've got that tight, we're going to grab one of our other eye bolts and walk around to the rear of our bench. And here on the knee rest, we have a hole where we are going to insert the eye bolt at an angle. It's going to feel a little bit awkward. It's perfectly fine. We're going to want to leave about 3/4 of an inch of thread out and leave the eye bolt in a vertical position. And we're going to do that on the other leg as well. Now your bench is complete and ready for fun. If you have any questions about assembly, please feel free to contact DD Machinery.